Right here I have the FS 1913, the aluminum strut, 6061 aluminum, so it's a little stiffer and a little more rigid. The one that we are currently selling is glass-filled nylon strut, so you have two different options. We're still going to be offering both of them. This one's going to be MSRP at $249.99, and the glass-filled nylon one is going to be MSRP at $199.99. The next one that is going to be coming out is the triangle folder 1913. We're going to have two different versions. One of them is going to be working with a 1913 back end, and the other one that we're going to be coming out with is going to be your traditional fork design that goes underneath the receiver. However, both braces are going to be able to fold. Two options, one with a hinge and then the other one with the forks. MSRP though for this is $199.99. This is the Remington TAC 13 V3 semi-automatic shotgun. We actually just came out with a kit for it. So the kit comes with the adapter. It also comes with the brace, the tubes, the castle nut, and the grip, and a hardware kit for install. $269.99 is MSRP. You get two different configurations. One of them comes with the SBA4 as shown. The other one comes with the SBA3 as well.
Obviously here, probably the biggest thing at the show, we have the SP5. We got a few in, but only a few, so there's a lot of people still wanting this guy.
Yeah, I mean, the significance of it, you know, when you think of HK, you think of the MP5 submachine. So we're super excited to have the SP5, which is a semi-automatic version of the MP5. There's some clones out there, and there's been some previous guns out there, but this is the most authentic semi-automatic MP5 that's available on the marketplace. It's made in Oberndorf, Germany, in the same factory with the same workforce, on the same machinery. And the same people that have been making these guns for decades are making this gun right here. Aside from the trigger piece, you know, it is all MP5. The bolt, the barrel, the upper receiver, all of it. We have the Navy barrel, so you've got the 3-lug. A lot of times we have a can on there, it wants to kind of thread itself off. So the 3-lug keeps it in tight. We also do have a threaded portion of the muzzle with a thread protector on it. Also the paddle mag release is a nice feature.
Yeah, I saw that.
More like the original gun. Yeah, so these are available now. They're shipping now. MSRP is $27.99.
We'll have more of these coming in. HK is really good to us. We get a lot for y'all. And so really can't wait to get more of y'all with these in your hand.